In the previous exercises, you may have noticed some feedback on the screen as I sketch lines and arcs. For example, if I sketch a line and move it close to the horizontal, a small horizontal line flag pops up next to the cursor. Close to the vertical, a vertical line flag pops up. If I were to click and complete the line while the flag is showing, the line would be vertical. It would not only appear to be vertical, but it would have a geometric relation of vertical. The vertical geometric relation is graphically represented by this blue or green flag with a vertical line. I'll leave this line at an angle and sketch another line from the endpoint. Now you see a different type of feedback, these dashed lines. If I move close to this line, you see a perpendicular symbol pop up, and a collinear symbol if I move close to this line. Here again, if I were to complete the line while these symbols are showing, geometric relations of perpendicular or collinear would be added, and the associated geometric relation flag type will appear in the sketch. Geometric relations are a way for you to control the geometry you sketch. They control the way lines and other entities behave. For instance, if I sketch a vertical line and turn off the line tool, I can click and drag the line to move it. Notice that no matter where I drag the cursor, the line remains vertical. If I sketch another line that's at an angle, then follow the dashed line to create the process again and show you an additional function. I'll sketch the circle and again draw a line tangent to it. To create the tangent line, I simply clicked once on the circle and dragged my cursor away in a tangent direction. Notice that wherever I drag my cursor, the line remains tangent to the circle. If I click again to end the line, I'll have a line with a tangent geometric relation with the circle. If I don't want to have a tangent line or possibly one in the other direction, I simply move my cursor carefully back to the beginning of the line, and when I do this, notice that two inference lines appear. One is for tangent in both directions, the other is to create a perpendicular line at that point on the circle. I can follow either of these inferences to create an automatic sketch relation, or not follow either and simply create a line that is coincident to the circle.